I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, I do it like it's my life.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video and welcome to North Carolina. Come on and raise up. Take your shirt off. Twist it around your head. Spin it like a helicopter.
What the fuck is that?
You know that? No. It's Petey Pablo. It's a throwback.
Take your shirt off, twist it around your head, spin it like a helicopter.
Anyway, guys, in today's video, I want to talk to you about the friend zone. And more specifically, I want to tell you exactly what you need to do to make sure that you never get put in the friend zone ever again and just start seeing much better results in your dating life. So we're in North Carolina for the week visiting my parents, and they actually live around the corner from the original Krispy Kreme donuts. And the crazy thing is you get to see them making the donuts back here. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but on this side, they're not glazed and they go through, and now they're glazed. So I went with a couple classic glazed, a couple chocolate glazed. I don't know why they gave me an extra donut hole, but we also packed some protein shakes because donuts don't have protein. It's still warm, man. I think a Krispy Kreme glaze. This has to be the best donut in the world. Alright, so I want to tell y'all the story of the worst time that I've ever been friend zoned. And this happened back in my last year of college. There was this girl who lived down the hallway from me and my buddies. It was this smoking hot Latina girl. And I'd see her sometimes at parties, sometimes we'd hang out with them, like me and my friends and her friends. And I felt like we had this vibe. Like I felt like we were always holding long eye contact. I thought she was super hot. I thought she was into me too. And I got her phone number one time. And after a few weeks, I finally texted her and we made plans to go out and get dinner. So we ended up meeting up at this little Mexican restaurant that was directly across the street from the apartment building we lived in. And dude, I remember that it took forever for the food to come out, or at least it felt that way because I was so anxious, right? And like I was trying to be flirty and tease her, but honestly looking back, it was pretty generic conversation. And I just remember that at the end of the meal when the check came out, I was so fucking nervous. I didn't know what to do next. I didn't know what step to take next. But obviously we lived in the same building, so we ended up walking home together, and I forget exactly what was said, but we went back to her apartment. We were completely alone, and we were sitting on the sofa next to each other. Now, no lie, I felt like we were sitting on that sofa for 3 years. Like, every time I'd look over and I'd think about, should I make the move now? And then I'd be like, nah, she's not ready. Maybe in a few minutes, the time will be right. And then I'd look over again, and I'd think the same thing to myself. I think even at one point, I put my arm like awkwardly around the sofa behind her, trying to get close to her. But then I was like, no, I can't do it. I can't do it. But to make a long story short, eventually, she looked at her phone and she was like, all right, it's midnight. I think I got to get to bed. So I walked back to my apartment with my head down. And I was super depressed, man. I felt like I missed my shot. And honestly, every time I saw her after that, the vibe was gone. Like, the attraction clearly wasn't there anymore. I'd blown my chance, and no doubt, I was deep into the friend zone.
All I got, like 23, I stay on top, I do it like it's my last shot, we out here every day, ain't no other way, I work hard for what I got, now I'm standing at the top.
I gotta tell y'all, the worst part about being back in my parents' place is that I have to drive around in this Honda CR-V. Like, I don't know what my mom was thinking, but she decided to get, like, what is this, the blueberry color or something, man? This thing is the opposite of swag. Like, I need to make sure that my outfit is extra on point today because when I step out of this thing, like, I need to be looking fresh. And that's why I decided to partner with Vincero Watches to be the sponsor of today's video. So the watch I'm wearing now is their brand new Apex watch. They just released it in a bunch of different dope colorways that are all super sleek and masculine looking. Like as soon as you put one of these on your wrist, it's gonna take your outfit to the next level. And because it's made by Vincero, not only does it look amazing, but this is built with the same construction as luxury level watches. Like this is all made from surgical grade stainless steel, and the glass on there is sapphire coated, so it's scratch resistant. But the cool thing about Vincero is that they sell their watches directly to the consumer, so like you don't have to worry about the guy at the jewelry store trying to take his cut, and this allows them to sell the watches for an extremely affordable price. And because they're sponsoring today's video, they hooked us up with a secret link. If you use that, you can get an even better deal on your watch. All you need to do is click the first link down in the description. That's going to show you all of my favorite watches on their website. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.5. This is 410 pounds. We're going for 5 reps. My PR right now for 5 reps is 405 pounds. This would be a 5-pound PR. Haven't been feeling great lately, but I did just have some anabolic donuts at Krispy Kreme. So wish me luck, bro. It's a pound. Man, I'm not feeling it today, man. I lost the tightness in my body on that 3rd rep. Next week you'll see that.
Is that snow?
Is it snowing? Wait, give me a second. Let me,
We come to North Carolina for warm weather.
I'm just making sure in Google Maps we're still in North Carolina. Yep.
What is this?
What the hell? I've never seen it.
If snow, we'd be back in Boston. Boston.
Alright, so there's definitely a lot of mistakes that I've made with girls over and over and over again. Like, I straight up used to suck with girls. But after I got friend-zoned that time, I have never been friend-zoned again after that. And I'm not saying that to brag, but the whole point of this video is that I made a powerful realization. Friend-zoning, so girls friend-zone a guy as a protective mechanism. Like, I think we could all agree that girls are attracted to strong, confident guys, right?
Yep.
So if a girl knows that you're interested in her and you're pursuing her, but then she realizes that you're too much of a pussy, like you're too afraid or you're too weak to make the move on her or to ask her on a date, now in her mind, even if she was attracted to you before, now she sees you as a weak guy and
you're gonna be friend zoned.
You're gonna be friend zoned because no longer is she gonna be interested in you romantically, but she might like still like you.
Yeah, and think of you as a friend.
And that's the friend zone. So here's what I realized. Whenever I would find myself in that situation where I was talking to a girl and in the back of my mind I was thinking, is it too soon to ask her out? Or maybe I should talk to her one more time. Or maybe I should wait for her to give me more of an obvious sign that she's into me. Or maybe I'd be on a date with a girl and in the back of my head I'd be thinking, should I try and kiss her or bring her home? Or should I wait to the second date? I started to tell myself, bro, it's do or die. Like, it's now or never. If I don't make the move now, I might never get this chance again and she might put me in the friend zone.
And you gotta realize, from a girl's perspective, it is way more attractive if a guy is upfront and says what he wants than being like, I don't know, and this wishy-washy shit.
And at the end of the day, man, the other realization I had is that even if you go for it and get rejected, like, being rejected, it's way better than being in the friend zone.
Money bring a whole lot of hoes. It's suicidal every time I lift my doors. I couldn't imagine doing this shit when I was broke. Now we walk around with jewelry dipped in gold. Yeah, my pockets getting swole. She said she never miss a show.
So So we're at my favorite restaurant by my parents' place. It's called Genghis Grill. I've probably been here like 300 times. Basically, you put a bunch of food into this bowl, and then they cook it for you like a stir fry, but they try and trick you by putting the proteins first. Real G's know that first you come all the way down to the vegetables, and you put your vegetables in the bowl first. So you put the protein on at the end because raw protein is sticky and it's not gonna fall off the side like the vegetables would. Y'all, I am beyond excited. Take a look at this masterpiece, man. We got fried rice in here. We got udon noodles. If my cousin Donnie Matt is watching this video right now, he is extremely jealous. Maybe next time, bro. Maybe next time you come with me. Oh, it's too hot. Too hot.
This is really good. I was skeptical at first, but this shit's bomb.
Look, man, I know that it might be kind of a hard truth to swallow, but rejection really is better than the friend zone. Because if you get rejected, you can still look at yourself in the mirror and be proud that you took action. You faced your fear. And next time you're in a similar situation with a new girl, you're gonna be more confident in yourself and you're gonna be able to take fast action faster than last time. And not only that, but if you don't take action and you fall into the friend zone, like, you're not getting in their pants, man. Once you're in the friend zone, it's over. Plus, it's gonna be impossible to move on with your life, and you're just gonna be obsessed with this girl who doesn't wanna be with you.
And if she put you in the friend zone, she's lost all respect for you, and she's gonna toy with you because she knows you like her, so she's gonna keep you around just to text you.
Yeah, man, you can't even be mad at her. It's just human nature. Like, if she's getting validation from you,
she's gonna keep you around.
It's good to keep you around. Anyway, bro, I hope that this video helped you out. You know, once I made this realization, this is really when I started to see a lot of improvement in my dating life. Because, like, if you're watching this video right now and there's a girl you like, then you know you need to make the move right now, bro. And if there's a girl you're already in the friend zone with, then you, like, it sucks, but you have to move on. You know, at the end of the day, the best way to get out of the friend zone is not even to get in the friend zone in the first place. And on that note, I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you made it to the end, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you, bro. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, click subscribe and turn notifications on, because I release 2 new videos every single week, and they're all super dope videos that you don't want to miss. I will talk to all of y'all in the next video. Stay beastly.
All I got, like 23, I stay on top, stay